Now, in today's video, we are going to study about logical operators. In the previous videos, we studied about arithmetic operator, assignment operator, and comparison operator. And today we are going to study about logical operators. Logical operators basically used to determine the logic between variables or values. And this is the logical operator, and it means and. It returns true if both statements are true. For example, if x less than 5 and x less than 10, then it will return true. And this is our operator. What it will do, if x less than 5 or x less than 4, it will return true. It means that if this statement is true, it's going to give us true result. If this statement is true and this is false, then it will give us true result. For example, if logical operator, if 1 is 0, we'll get 1. If it's 0 and 1, we are going to get 1 result. Both are 0, then we are going to get result false. If it means that if one of the statement is going to be true, then we have the final answer we are going to get is 1. But in this case, if there is 1 and 0, one statement is true and other is wrong, we are going to get false answer. If the first statement is true and the second is false and the second is true, we are going to get 0 answer. If both statements are true, then we are going to get true answer. So this is how and or logical operators work. And here is one more operator. What it will do, it will reverse the result. For example, if x less than 5 and it's true and it also less than 10, then what we will get answer here is true. But with this sign, our result will be reversed and we will get the false reply. So this is how logical operator basically work. To study and to understand more about logical operators, I am going to make some videos and I'll upload these videos on my channel so that you could have a great understanding about logical operators and other operators. So in Visual Studio, I'll do some code for your better understanding. Thank you so much.